Hello KUNOMAILer, I'm pleased to welcome you to a new video tutorial. Today I would like to introduce you to our latest update. We have again made many improvements and added new functions. Here are the highlights of the latest update. KUNOMAIL Assistant informs you about online shop orders. From now on, the KUNOMAIL Assistant will inform you about the arrival of your purchased products from the KUNOMAIL online shop. Always stay up to date with your orders. Optimized preview of email attachments. The display of email attachments has been improved to give you a clearer and more organized preview. Birthday management and contacts. Now, save your contacts' birthdays directly in KUNOMAIL and never forget an important day again. Improved email account position storage. The position of your email accounts, including the sorting and order, is now saved even more reliably. New function, KUNOMAIL Calendar, Appointment Management. Plan and manage your appointments directly in KUNOMAIL with our new calendar and appointment management function. Cleanup dialog with new option. The cleanup dialog now has a new option to delete old appointments and keep your calendar clear. New in KUNOMAIL. Simple calendar and appointment management. With this update, we want to offer you a simple and clear way to organize your appointments. Here are the highlights of the new function. Integrated calendar function. You can now plan and manage your personal appointments directly in KUNOMAIL. Whether birthdays, doctor's appointments, or family celebrations, always keep track of your important events. Easy to use, our user-friendly interface makes scheduling a breeze. Experience how easy it is to create, edit, and manage appointments without complicated settings. Reminder function. Never miss an important appointment again. With the reminder function, you will be notified in good time and can organize your time in a relaxed manner. Clarity. The calendar and appointment management is fully integrated in KUNOMAIL and ensures that all your appointments are in one place. This way, you always have everything in view and can plan your free time better. New options in the KUNOMAIL settings. The calendar and appointment management can easily be activated or deactivated for all views in the KUNOMAIL settings. The appointment management can also be accessed via the menu item Administration. Thank you for your valued attention. I hope you enjoyed it and look forward to seeing you again soon.